Si Girly, ang girl. Si Peter, the boy. And that's me, Mark. Ganda oh. At si Panying, that's my tomboy.
Pump with the pants.
Ay, Toby! Tay! Nasaan po si Toby? Hello? Toby! Bakit, pre? Sige po tayo!
Anak?
Panying, di ba sabi ko sa'yo ayusin mo tong silya?
Manak?
Alam nyo, ang saya nyo panoorin pag magkakatabi kayong apat.
Opa,
Oh, yes.
Pa dito? Oo nga, tumulong kay nanay mo. Sige na nga! Bili na po kayo ng t-shirt ni Mama.
Boy, Bakla, Tomboy parody uses humor and exaggeration to reflect how digital technology shape identity, behavior, and relationship in contemporary society. Through the lens of social media, the parody shows how platforms influence self-presentation, trends, and public perception of gender and identity, often reinforcing or challenging traditional rules. Internet of Things technology appear in everyday settings, smartphones, notifications, and connected devices, symbolizing constant connectivity and surveillance that affect how individuals interact and express themselves. Social behavior in the parody highlights how validation through likes, comments, and share can shape confidence, stereotypes, and interpersonal dynamics. Cultural norms are questioned as the characters navigate expectation places on girls, boy, bakla, and tomboy identities, revealing both acceptance and prejudice within society. Relationships are portrayed as increasingly mediated by technology, where digital interaction influence respect, understanding, and belonging. Overall, the parody uses comedy to critique involving cultural norms while emphasizing the role of technology in shaping modern identity and social relationships.